Salutations, audience. I am proud to arrive. You can call me by my first name, the Scorchion. Eh. Yeah, that's right, folks. Sorry that Alexa wasn't able to be here. Um, for those who already know about the Scorchion, this guy was codenamed with a poisonous pinky. Well, this guy was one. This guy is one of the top contenders, even though he lost to hometown Huck and Mr. Extremo.
Get upstairs and clean upstairs, and we're leaving.
I'll be up in a minute.
No, fast.
All right. He has a signature move called the Tygon Stinger, but that they don't usually use thanks to their tongues. Well, those who get hit by the Tygon Stinger, side effects include vomiting and, well, loss of consciousness. And basically that's about it. Scorchion got this off of the insects known as the scorpion. Scorpions have been around for like millions of years, ever since before the dinosaurs, starting with Brontoscorpio. Remember that one? You know, from Walking with Monsters. I just really like that show. I mean, I have the actual DVD. Anyway, that's how you draw the Scorchion.